So we just went through Washed Ivanhoe, and we're trying out the Sonny's vacuum. We also put an egg on as well. That's pretty cool. So there's a bit of a leak from the actual thing itself. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So you've got the oh yeah, oh cool. That's cool. Got a little bag for it in there. So my friend's getting his car washed. I'll show you what the producers look like. And I think probably both of them are running at the moment. So you've got your main separator there, your vacuum producer here. Yes, that's pretty cool. So it's got two producers so you get more airflow. Oh, they've even got some other ones here. The usual typical ones. There's lots of airflow, but not much suction. So, and this one that we're using, how's it working? Is it good suction? So this is, I think, your bag interceptor. I don't know what it's actually called. There, so that's the central vacuum for you. How's the nozzle? Is it easy to use?
Yeah, good one.
Because this one is known as, I think it's known as the claw from Sonny's.
It's comfortable, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, they've even got air guns as well. Do you want to use it? They've even got air guns as well. You know. You want to use the air gun? There you go. Yeah. So it gives you that detail clean without the detail price tag.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye.